Good morning to the Committee of Divisions, wherever you are. And whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to you all. I greet everyone in the community. And for anyone watching this broadcast who is not a member of the community, I welcome you into this wonderful Kringle community. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer in the community. This morning, I want to talk on just a little sacrifice. Just a little sacrifice. Guys, we have been in TBC since 2016. A lot of people are complaining, grumbling that things are taking long. Guys, guess what? It's not easy to build an economy from ground up. And thank God for the progress so far that we are enjoying in the Kringle society, the Kringle community. We bless God. Just a little sacrifice. Are you paying that little sacrifice? Firstly, your commitment. How committed are you? It is expected that every member should check the block on daily basis. And how can you have access to that? The first little sacrifice you have to do is either to pay your monthly program fee or to pay your annual program fee. Simple. That is the first sacrifice. When you pay that and you get active within the community, guys, guess what? Then every other thing goes along. You'll be able to know every updates that is being given out within the community. Also, let us share the gift. Give out. Give the gift out. It is a gift, so give it out. Send your link to your friends as well. Get them registered into the community. Let's go all out with full force to bring many people into the community. Let us develop this community. We need to show the world that yes, there is a better way to life. There is a good way to live. Guys, it is expected that every one of us do what is needed to do. Now, the Life Force Assurance program is on also now. What is that little sacrifice you need to pay? Get active so that you can access all that is needed for you to access. Guys, let us pay that little sacrifice. Your time, your commitment, watch videos, listen to broadcasts. Always read the blog, attend meetings, both weekly meetings and especially the daily regular mass adoption training. Come here, we are being trained on daily basis. Let's get understanding, let's get knowledge. Guys, I know it's not easy, but what with our commitment and determination, we make it. Sacrifice of your time, sacrifice of that little resources in your hand for us all to get to where we are going. So, guys, I love you all. Thank you. I want you to like this broadcast and share to your loved ones. Pay that little sacrifice for us to unlock the wealth in our wallet, for us to live a life of heaven on earth. Thank you very much. I love you all.